And then on the shoes, as you can see right here, I kind of did a little system, and hopefully that'll work or whatnot. And I basically kind of just, I don't know, I guess kind of flipped the shoes a little bit, so that way they would kind of fit up there. So I'm gonna see how that works. So maybe that'll be like a shoe hack type of thing. So we'll see if they work. Now I didn't do it up here, but I just kind of did it right here on some of these shelves right here, just to kind of make them look a little bit more uniform and clean. So hey everyone, I'm gonna go ahead and kind of work on this shoe shelf again. You saw me work on it on my big closet cleaner whatnot, but anyway, I want to work on a few more things like these right here. So let me work on these. Okay, so I kind of reworked it a little bit and it didn't take much. And as you can see, I basically kind of flipped this upside down, and then the other shoes like on top of it, and the same thing with the rest of them. And then the rest of these shelves are basically kind of like the same way. And it's kind of like my shoe hack on how to store your shoes and maybe save some like room with the whatnot and all that. So anyway, there you go. And it didn't have to take special tools or anything like that. So anyway, that's pretty much it.